faster than that Lombardi. Cause everybody know that ATL love to party on the 40, 30, 20, 10. Now it's time to celebrate. Call up ESPN. And when it's 3 and 10,